Hi, Shawn Naroth, President and CEO of Excel Realty Mortgage, and thank you for taking a look at what we have to offer here at Excel Mortgage Services. So I'm going to go over those things, and I'm going to go through them pretty quickly. Usually we're going to meet in person or on Zoom to kind of go over things in more detail, but to get you a little taste of things. Why are we better? Well, let me tell you. We are both a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker. So you have the best of all worlds here. On the banking side, we're what's called a non-delegated correspondent lender. We do not underwrite any of the loans here. So we do everything from the upfront disclosures, we draw docs, we fund every deal. And we also have the ability to broker to over 50 different lenders currently. And we're always adding lenders, it seems like. So we want to make sure that you're able to do every deal out there, whether it's wholesale, whether it's correspondent, whatever. But on the correspondent side of things, there's no disclosure of your compensation on lender-paid transactions, so that's always nice. And there's a lot more control on the file for the most part. That also allows you as a loan officer to select any compensation plan that you want. So on the brokering side, if you're currently working for a broker, you already know this. Basically, we as a broker would select a compensation plan with each of the lenders, and then that's the compensation plan for the whole company. Well, on the correspondent side, it's different. Every one of our loan officers, we have 70 plus loan officers currently, and every one of them could have a different compensation plan, and they could all go through the same lender if they wanted to, like Rocket Pro or Home Point or Caliber or Flagstar or PennyMac or AmeriHome. There's about 11 different correspondent purchase investors of ours currently. And so it definitely gives you a lot of control. And so basically you're able to select, do I want to have a 1% comp plan? Do I want to have a 2.5% comp plan? And all the rates are raw rates coming in, and you're just basically pricing it out with whatever your compensation plan is. So you're in complete control over the pricing that you have. We do have the best pricing in the business, and we pride ourselves on that. And so a couple other things that make it a little different. So everything from the way that we submit loans to the people that we have working on them. So I'm going to go through that. Our technology. Technology is the best in the business. We use an online lending platform. And if you're using like a Calyx Point or something, you're going to be blown away. This is online, anything from your phone, tablet, Mac, PC, and you submit everything online. All documents are uploaded there, but you also, as a loan officer, you have your own borrower application link. And we show you how to put that in your email and all that. We get you an email signature that has all that stuff on there. Makes life very easy. You look very tech savvy because you are. And beyond that, what do you do here as a loan officer? We want you to find clients, obviously, and make sure you're structuring a loan. You know what you're trying to do with the loan. But an application, supporting documents, and you're submitting the loan at that point. You're pulling credit. But beyond that, processing is kind of taken over at that point. So let's get into the processing side of things. Well, we have the best people in the business. And I know a lot of companies say, oh, our processing is great. Well, ours really is. They're all employees, and it's not just processors. So we have an upfront team. That's kind of a loan setup and a disclosure team. So they disclose very quickly. Currently, it's all same day. So you send in a loan, it's getting disclosed to your client and being registered at whatever lender you want it to go to. You can lock right then if you want. So we make you very agile here, and you're able to satisfy your clients' needs very well here. And we know at the end of the day, we're all working for you as a loan officer out there. Our job is to support you and to make your job easier and make you look better as a loan officer to your clients. So you'll get more business, obviously. So the last thing I want to talk about is compensation. So the compensation plans that we have, again, you select whatever compensation plan you want, 1%, 1.25, 1.5, whatever, all the way up to, really the highest we have is about 2.5%, but we could go up to 2.75 if you really wanted to. There's also the ability to put a maximum dollar amount on it. So if You have a 2% comp plan because you normally do $300,000 or $400,000 loans. Okay, cool. And then maybe you get that $1 million loan. Well, if you're going to get 2% on a $1 million loan, it's $20,000. Probably not going to be that competitively priced. Well, you can put a maximum dollar amount. You can put $12,000, $15,000, whatever it is you want, and it's a complete option. You're in complete control of what you want that to be. Beyond that, the way that it works is we have a broker fee on whatever channel. Wholesale, correspondent, makes no difference. $5.95 as a broker fee. We have $100 in compliance that we charge, and that's it. Now, there is a processing fee, and that processing fee is something that you can either charge to the borrower or it would come out of your compensation as well. So you're, again, in complete control of what you want to do. Most of our loan officers charge the borrower the processing fee, and that's an additional $6.95. So beyond that, you're retaining the majority of your commission. The pricing is going to be the best you're going to see, and the process is really honestly going to be the best you're going to see. And we're here every day, so there's tons of support. We have a processing manager, a funding manager. I'm here every day. There's a lot of people that you can talk to. We've created systems to where if you have a non-QM deal and you don't know where to send it, you go to our deal desk, you click on it, you put your information in there, you press send, it goes out automatically to all the non-QM account execs, all in one email, so you get responses back quickly. You can find out who will do this loan and kind of what's the pricing on that loan. Again, we can do every loan. On the correspondent side, we are not only approved, obviously, conventional jumbo, FHA, VA, USDA, even some non-QM on the correspondent side as well. On the wholesale side, all of those, and reverse mortgage and commercial loans. So really any deal that can get done on the lending side, we have the ability to do and we enjoy doing. So just because it's a reverse mortgage doesn't mean that we go, oh, that's not very fun. Those loans are some of the best and some of the most helpful loans in the business that I've seen. So we love every loan, and our loan officers are the ones that usually are singing our praises, and so you're able to chat with all of our loan officers directly if you want to. We have a Google group for all the loan officers to chat and send out, hey, does anybody know of a down payment assistance program? We have all that information, but I love it when the loan officers are all chatting with each other via email and all that. If you want hey, you want to talk to some of our loan officers before you make the switch, because you know it's a big move for you, we're happy to have you do that. So check us out. Happy that you're already looking at us now, and looking forward to doing business with you in the near future. Bye-bye.